Hey guys, sorry I'm whispering, but I'm not home right now. I'm staying at a friend's place. It's you. And I've been trying to sneeze as little as possible while I'm here, but tonight my nose is tickling so much, so much, and he's actually sleeping in a bed across from me, so I can't sneeze too loud. I don't want to wake him up. Fuck. Oh my God. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. It's you. Fuck. Oh my God. Sorry if you guys can't hear the AC in the background. I think it's the AC that's making me sneeze. It's you. Oh my God. I mean, my friends know that I sneeze a lot, but oh my God, I'm gonna be so embarrassed Ow, ow, I bit my tongue. I brought the strongest mats I have for this little trip. And still, I'm so sneezy. I love my nose. Fuck, I think I'm gonna sneeze again. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. I think he's still asleep. Oh, thank goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one just slipped out. I couldn't hold it. Stifling doesn't help. The sneezes don't stop. Until I let them out, it's the worst, actually. Sorry if this video is getting too long. I kind of have nothing else to do but record while I'm trying to stop sneezing. I can feel another one building. Don't sneeze. Please. Please don't sneeze. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh my god, it's all this dust. I'm so fucking allergic to dust. Come on, people. Clean your houses. My sneezes are so strong. You guys can't hear how hard it is for me to stifle them. My whole body trembles with the sheer Oh my God. He's gonna wake up eventually. I can't stop sneezing. Oh guys, and I took my meds, I took them. I took them. Oh my God. My allergies are just so strong, so strong. Oh my God, I'm glad he's strong because if he wasn't, I'm sure he would have woken up by now. I managed to hold that one back. Oh, but he came back stronger. Fuck. As soon as I lay down, I noticed that my nose started to tickle just slightly. And I thought, oh my God, no, please, no. No. Not now, not here. But I thought it was gonna subside, but it kept growing stronger and stronger. So here I am, still awake, sneezing my ass off. But I can't let them out. If I could, they would stop. I know they would. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh, God, they're getting stronger. I can feel it. I can just feel it. Oh, fuck, that was loud. I was thinking maybe if I could muffle them, but that never works. That never works. It's better if I stifle them.